with Sonia and Joachim on 987.
What a way to end the week. This morning, I pulled up to the office car park and I realized I forgot my phone.
For all those times you laughed at me for my office pass, finally, karma!
The day without it.